Why did Jesus choose to come? Jesus knows that by His suffering, He will see you and me in that home that He has prepared. He knew and He already has seen sa iyang mga mata that by my suffering, we might be saved. Why might? Because we can choose to lose salvation. But Jesus chose to come, mga kaigsuunan, aron nga kini, aron nga iyatang makitaan kita nga iyang mga anak, kita nga iyang nga mga katawhan, mga kaigsuunan, makitaan niya someday saved in His kingdom. Jesus chose to leave the worship of the angels, the adoration of the heavenly beings, just to win one soul, to win your soul, to win my soul, mga igsuon. He did not hesitate nga mabiyaan usa kadto. He did not hesitate to lose His life just to find your life, mga igsuon. He came to seek and save that which was lost. Even if you were the only one, even if I were the only one to be saved, mga igsuon, muani gyud gihapon si Jesus. Inana taniya kagihigugma, inana ta ka importante dinha sa atong buhi nga Dios.